My name is Tilu Bhera, lecturer in electronics from Government Polytechnic Sonpur. I am going to give a lecture on addressing mode of 8085 microprocessor. Addressing mode is the different ways to address or specify operand in an instruction. So there are 5 different ways, that is immediate addressing mode, second one is register addressing mode, then direct addressing mode, fourth one is register indirect addressing mode, and the last one is implicit or implied addressing mode. So first we discuss immediate addressing mode. Immediate addressing mode. In this mode, the operand or data is present in the instruction itself. That is, let us give an example. Let us take an example. MVI 40H. That is 40 itself is the data. MVI 40. MVI B, 40 means MVI B, 40 means the data 40 is moved to B, register B. That is, B is the general purpose register present in 8085 microprocessor. So in immediate addressing mode, the data is present in the instruction itself. So the advantage of immediate addressing mode is the user identify the operand. Then second one is register addressing mode. In register addressing mode, the data is present in the register. Move B, C. Move B, C means the data present or the operand present in register C is moved to register B. The data present in register C is moved to B. So here the user cannot identify the operand, but the machine cycle or the byte required for the instruction is less due to the register is within the microprocessor. So let's discuss direct addressing mode. In direct addressing mode, the address of the operand is present in the instruction itself. The address of the operand, not operand. In immediate addressing mode, the operand or data is present in the instruction, but in direct addressing mode, the address is present in the instruction. That is, let us take an example. LDA 5000H. All the data we are using in this microprocessor is in hexadecimal. This H represent hexadecimal number. LDA 5000H. This means the accumulator A, the accumulator A is received with the data present in 5000H, means the data present in 5000H address, and the data is moved to A or accumulator. Then register indirect addressing mode. Register indirect addressing mode. Here the data is present, or the address of the data is present indirectly. That is STAXB. STAXB means the data. Let us take an address 2000H, and the data present in 2000H. That is, let us take 30H is the data, and it is present in 2000H. 30H is present in 2000H. But here in the instruction, the data, neither the data nor the address is present in the instruction. So here BC pair, X represent register pair. BC pair stores or holds the address of the data 30. So here the BC register pair stores the address of the data. then we will go to implied addressing mode. Implied addressing mode. In implied addressing mode, there is no operand or address. That is STC, CMC. Here the operand is implied in the instruction itself. The data or operand is implied in the instruction itself. STC means set the carry to 1. CMC means complement the carry. That is if the carry is 1 previously, then carry will be 0, or if previously it was 0, then it will 1. Thank you.